Hello and welcome back to yet another new video. This time I'll be unboxing more Pokemon Scale World figures. Look at that. These were the missing pieces to my previous video here, which is the Sinnoh region trainers and Pokemon. So I mean, this is pretty much a spoiler for what's inside. These are not random boxes. You get Grotto and Torterra along with Barry. What's her name? Oh, you get the picture. Staraptor. Natane. It's because I don't know her English name, I forgot. And of course, we can see, as always, the excellent quality of the figures. I would dare say this is much better than the normal figures. The details on the creases. The expression is very accurate. Face sculpt is very accurate. And he should come in for stand. Yes, he does. Can he stand though? Yes, he can. Very sturdy. Pretty much. Very nice. Next off, we get Staraptor. Very, very nice. Come on, focus. You can see the tail feathers. Solid. This is one hefty bird. The face sculpt is very nice. You can see that line separating the beak, the upper and lower beak. There are, I mean, technically this could be, but there are no join lines that I can see. And lastly, from this box, we get Grotto. No eyebrows. But the shell kind of makes it look angry. You know, I always thought from the front it would look more menacing, but it looks kind of derpy from the front. You can see the bushes on the top of the shell. Very nice. I mean, you don't expect detail from this, but still, it's a very solid piece. It does not feel cheap, as usual. And this, I think, is part of the design. I don't think this is a join line, because you see it's different here and there. A join line, usually they would just put the whole thing around. They wouldn't bother with the lines here like that. Overall, an amazing figure. Or shall I say, amazing figures, because all three are fantastic. This is gonna be a short one because there are only 2 boxes this time. Although I can't resist talking about these Scale World figures because they're just so... Oh, what went on here? I'm guessing one of these got in the way. I'm guessing you insert it like that. Yep, I was right. Now let's see. Gardenia, yes, that's her name. After looking closer, I remembered her name. Very detailed. The ripped pants. The face sculpt. Very good, very detailed. The clothes. Very nice. The ripped pants especially. I like how it's really, really detailed. Tiny, tiny rips and tears. But overall, her design is quite simple, so there's not much we can look through for. There's one more figure coming though. Cynthia. Is there? I'm not sure. But I know Arceus is coming. I don't know whether we'll be getting Dialga and Palkia. And of course, the biggest boy of all, Torterra. Very, very nice. Ouch! Sharp. A lot of sharp points. This is definitely not for kids. Do not allow kids to play with this. There are really, really sharp points where there has to be. Very, very menacing. Very, very cool. Very hefty. And that tree just looks amazing. Look at that texture. Man, that's so good. I just can't gush enough about these toys, man. You just have to get this if you're a Poke collector and you collect figures other than cards and stuff. You have to get this series. Pokemon Scale World, once again, I cannot recommend this enough. I got this from Premium Bandai. Hashtag not sponsored, but yeah. I would buy this even if they didn't sponsor anything. Because this is just so that I've been buying these for years. Not every single one, but practically every single series that they've released, I've bought. Anyway, there's not much here, just 5 figures, so let's just skip to the montage. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed the video, because these are always a joy to open. Not as much as VMAX Climax, but yeah, these are excellent figures. I recommend them 10 out of 10 times whenever you see them. Just get it. If you're a fan of Pokemon, just get it. And there will be more when there'll be more. Not sure when I'll see you, but we'll have more videos coming very soon. Astral Radiance, Dark Phantasma, so many things are coming. So, I'll see you all next time. Bye!